about 9:30, and we're gonna get last night. If you saw my video, we seasoned our pork with some smoked neck bones. Okay.
You should know. Hey you, I'm feeling it so. Hey you, now where do you go? Hey you should let it flow.
Cabbage all cut up, are under there. Now we're gonna start on our pork neck bones, and they're smoked, and then get them boiling, get them real soft. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and season our cabbage. The pork neck bones are bowl seasoning I found up in the cabinet. Alright, so our cabbage is seasoned with everything. I don't need to add anything else to it. I don't want it to be green, yellow onion and garlic.
Hey you, see I told you so. Hey you, I'm ready to go.
Use my Badia Complete seasoning. They're brand new seasonings.
I do think you hear. There's nothing to fear. Hey you, I'm with you. I see you, I hear you. Hey you, I'm with you. Miss you, I miss you.
Looking like, okay, let them simmer so they got nice and soft, okay, slow cook.
In the silence of my pain, you were there to shake some noise. When I cried, when I complained, you were there to bring me joy. Well, at least you tried, well, at least you shared. I'm with you for the ride, I'm just unprepared. We've come a long way.